Hello and welcome to an instructional tutorial on how to use the San Francisco Public Montessori's online Destiny catalog. First thing you'll need to do is open up a browser, which you probably already have if you're watching this video, in Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. The next thing you're going to want to do is type in the URL into the address bar. A URL is the address of a website. In this case, the URL is follett.sfusd.edu. Please make sure you spell the word Follett with a double L and a double T. That is the company that provides us with the software. SFUSD is for our school district, and EDU is because it's an educational website. Once you've gone to Follett, you'll see all of the schools in all of San Francisco Unified School District. You're welcome to look at the other schools' home pages, but in this case, if you're searching our library, you're going to want to scroll down, and in the bottom of the left-hand column, you'll find SF Public Montessori. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, you'll arrive at the San Francisco Public Montessori homepage. Our homepage is filled with links to other websites. Basically, you can do research or study or practice typing. We also have, at the top there, you'll see the first thing on the homepage are our databases. We're going to explore these later on when we start doing research. For now, we're learning how to search for a book in the library, so you're going to want to go to the word catalog. The catalog is the collection of all of our books. So go ahead and click on catalog at the top of the page, and that will bring you to a page that looks like this. This is how you search our online catalog. So in the search box next to the word find, you're going to type in what you want to find. And there's many ways to do this. You could simply put in what you'd like and hit the return button. Or you could use these choices here. Instead of hitting the return key, you could search by keyword. Keyword's good if you're not sure of the exact title or author. It'll give you the results of all the books that have that keyword in the record. So if I just search the word dragon, I'm going to get all the results that have the word dragon anywhere in their record. Perhaps I want to search by title, if I know the title, or by the author. Maybe I liked a book that was written by an author and I want to see what else that author has written. I could search by subject, for example, if I want to learn about weather or more about cats. And if I'm enjoying a book in a series, I can also search by series and see if there's any other books. Something fun that you could also try is using the visual search. And you'll see if you click on that you'll have choices such as animals, famous people, folk tales, holidays, science. There's also the option to search by power search. Power search is something we're going to learn about a little later in the year, and that's exactly if you know something very specifically that you want to find. Once you've done your search, you're going to come up with a bunch of search results. So this is probably how it will look. A search result will tell you the title of the book, the call numbers and letters, the author's name, what year the book was published, what reading level or interest level the book may be. And then you can also click on more details if you want to know more about the book. So I put up 3 search results here. The first one you'll see, the call number is FIC. That means the book is in the fiction section. The PYR next to the FIC are the first 3 letters of the author's last name, Pyron. So to locate A Dog's Way Home, you would look in the fiction chapter books and then look in the sections of authors whose name begin with the letter P. And these are all clearly labeled on the shelf. The second search result is called Dogs and Puppies. This is a nonfiction book, so it's cataloged with a Dewey Decimal number. The call number for this book is 636.7. So you'd have to find your way over to the 600s, which is in the non-fiction section of the library. It's also organized by the author's last name, in this case, Stark. So you would look in the 600s, then find 636.7, and then look for STA on the spine label. And then the last search result is called the Trouble with Dogs. And the call number, the first thing you'll see is the letter E. This does not mean the author's last name starts with E. This means everybody book. So it will be in the picture book section. After you find your way to the picture books, look for the section of authors' last names that start with G. Why? Because the author's last name is Graham, G-R-A. Once you've decided on the book that you want, you need to figure out if the book is actually here. When you look at the search results, you'll see all the way over to the right-hand side, it will either say 1 of 1 available or 1 of 2 available. And what that means is if it says 1 of 1 available, it means we've got one copy and it's here. If, for example, it says 0 of 1 or 0 of 2 available, it means we have a copy or two, but there are 0 available. That means it's checked out. You could ask to put a hold on it for next time. If the book is here and it says it's available, you want to jot down the call number and then go around the library and see if you can find it in the stacks or in the shelves. Using the spine labels and the pictures and the numbers that are along our shelves, you can help yourself find the book. If you're looking for a book in the 300s, for example, you look into the 300 section to find the 398s. If you're looking for something like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, that would be in the fiction section, with the author's last names that start with K for Kinney. Ask 3 before me, because a friend may be able to help you locate a book. It's kind of fun to do a treasure hunt around the library with your call number trying to find it, and you can get pretty good at it once you're practiced. That's it. Have fun searching the library. You can watch this video again to help explain.